Hello guys and welcome to this new video. So today we are going to be learning how to use the website Canva to make great design. So actually to access Canva just go to canva.com. Just go to canva.com. At canva.com you will sign in using the pass you're using. So at canva.com, you are going to sign in with your account. And then today, we are going to be doing an advertisement campaign for a local product. So, we're going to be doing a campaign on Facebook. So, we're going just to go to social media. So, here you will see presentation, social media, video, marketing, office, and more. Just you design some other things you have already been doing. So I will just go on social media. I will choose Facebook post. So today we are going to be doing designing for local product. The first thing for whom we are going to be doing a design today is Etablissement Juval. So the person is selling shoes, natural products, soap that is made naturally. So today we're just going to the person is having a simple logo. So today we are going to go to upload media, record yourself. So actually we are going to do a little tour of Canva. Canva is having a great panoply of templates, but usually when we are going to be doing our designs, we are not going to be using templates. So Canva is having panoply of templates. The elements where you can find photos, video, frames, gradients, Facebook icons, social media icons. So that's it. So you can find social media icon, you can find any icon you want. You want chat, you will find it there. So you have uploads, you have photos, you have text you want to use, you have even template for text you want to use, you have audio you can upload and audio that are already found on Canva, you have videos you can use, you have backgrounds, you have more. So Canva is really a great application for doing your design, especially when you're a beginner. So it's really a great platform. So actually for the design of today, we are going to start with our test. We're going to make a little test here about the company. So we're just going to take add subheading because I don't want it so bold. So name is Etablissement Jovan. So I will just put it here. So there we emphasize since the person is um, advertising on locally made shoes. So we're going to upload the images for the product the person is. So I'm trying to still to figure out which background I'll be using. So I'll just put it. I'll emphasize first on the test. So this publish play from Fabricio Cameroon. So yeah, I like to emphasize on the made in Cameroon. So does it like classic. So this 1% made in Cameroon will be just down here. So actually just move up, move, move, move. So we're going to make our footer. just be going to go on graphics. This it will be blue, maybe blue black or blue pink, something like that. Yeah, just here. I will rotate a little bit. Increase the size. Just put it here. Blue because this blue here. And yeah, this. So social media, Facebook, just Facebook, and maybe later we'll be creating an Instagram page. Maybe. Just yeah. Yeah. Établissement, Joval, bold, white, um, just like simple fonts, like using really simple fonts. This, just go here down, reduce the size. Yeah, maybe later phone number, WhatsApp. Just go back to element, just type WhatsApp. I got it. You got it. Just go down and you'll be collecting. I get the phone number, so I will just be pasting the phone number here and still be using Montserrat. Like Montserrat, yeah, yeah, bold. Just the two we're going to be using phone number, and let us bring this a little bit up to emphasize on the bold, like this, yeah, on this, and change the font to this. I don't know if you are going to. I've never tried this, but let me try quality. Quality, I don't know, but there's it. So actually, Canva is having everything. Canva is having everything you want. So, oh yeah, it's okay. So we are now going to be emphasizing on the show. I just wanted to put it in a frame, like wait. Just try, just find it. Send you back to be able to use it. Just leave it like that. Why the image is so big. So we're going to um, yeah. All my colors are the blue, and blue. These two are the colors. So I always try to stay in the color frame of what your customer asks you to do. Don't try to go out of that. So this is it. Send you back. So I'll try to enter here. No, I know the way the person took the picture is not really nice, but I can just try and do it like that. So I like this one a lot. Yeah, like this. I'll reduce the size. Mozilla. Des babouches super confortables pour vos pieds. So this will be this color. And classic. Yeah. So we're gonna try to stay in the color of in her colors. Why shouldn't I try to put maybe a red? I don't know. Maybe I just want to emphasize on it. Yeah, I love it. Tell me what you think about in the comment section and don't hesitate. Tell me what you think about. Just try to increase a little bit. Yeah, just try to do this. This one, yeah. Nah, at all. I don't know if cut out the hand. So tell me what you think about in the comment section, and we're gonna discuss and see how to ameliorate our design and to always stay in the color of the company. Yeah. So this is actually this. I'll try to center this. Nope. I don't know what's happening. Yeah. Just do this. Shift. Move it to, yeah, to the center and down. Mm-hmm. Just like this. So tell me what you think about in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this design in the comment section, and I will appreciate. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next in another video talking about design and how to use Canva to facilitate the design you're doing. And know that with any tool, just try to make your best and you'll be the best model designer. Goodbye.